Does regulating online misinformation lead to censorship? Imagine a world where false information spreads faster than truth. Governments and platforms are trying to stop this, but where do we draw the line? When we talk about controlling misinformation online, it's a tricky balance. On one side, regulation aims to protect public health, safety, and democracy. On the other, it can unintentionally silence voices or hide genuine opinions. Misinformation is false or misleading content shared without harmful intent, while disinformation is deliberately false and meant to deceive. Social media platforms use artificial intelligence algorithms to spot and manage such content. These systems scan posts, videos, and comments to flag or remove false information. The goal is to reduce harm, like preventing health crises or violence fueled by lies. Legal rules vary by country. In the United States, the First Amendment protects free speech, making government regulation complex. If the government tries to control misinformation, courts often requiring the rules to be very specific and not overly broad. They prefer less restrictive options like adding fact-check labels or reducing the visibility of false content instead of outright bans. Private companies like social media platforms have more freedom to set their own rules. They can moderate content based on their terms of service, which sometimes leads to what's called private censorship. This means they can remove or hide content without the same legal limits that government faces. This raises questions about transparency and fairness. Are these companies being clear about how they decide what to remove? Are their algorithms biased? These are important concerns. There are risks of government overreach if authorities pressure platforms to remove certain content, especially political speech. AI moderation can also make mistakes, wrongly removing legitimate posts or failing to catch falsehoods. This can unintentionally suppress different viewpoints. Without transparency about how decisions are made, it's hard to tell if content is being censored or just regulated. To avoid censorship while fighting misinformation, many suggest less restrictive measures. These include adding warning labels, promoting fact-checking, or reducing the spread of false content rather than removing it completely. It's also vital for platforms to be open about how their AI systems work and to have independent reviews of their moderation practices. In the end, regulating misinformation does not automatically mean censorship. But if rules are poorly designed or enforced, especially by government or AI systems, they can lead to outcomes that look like censorship. The future of tech law focuses on creating fair, transparent, and balanced systems that protect free speech while addressing the harms caused by false information.